Ever wondered how a blank screen in Revit turns into a fully coordinated building model? In this video, we'll take a guided tour of Revit, the building blocks that makes it one of the most powerful tools in BIM workflows. Think of this as your first step into Revit's world. When you open Revit, three things become your best friends: the ribbon, the project browser, and the properties palette.
But where do we find them?
The ribbon at the top is your toolbox, filled with all the commands you'll need to build. The project browser on the side is your map, helping you navigate between floor plans, 3D views, and sections. The property palette is the inspector. Whenever you click on an element, it tells you exactly what it is and lets you adjust its details. Together, these three give you control over what you're building, where you are in the model, and how each element behaves.
Quick tip, you can change the workspace as per your preference. Now that everything is in place, can we directly start with modeling?
Before placing walls and windows, you need a framework. Levels define heights, like the different floors in a building. Grids act as reference lines, guiding where columns and walls will sit. Without levels and grids, you'd be guessing. Once these guides are in place, the rest of your model has a structure to follow. Now let's talk families. What are the core concepts of Revit? Every element you place belongs to a category: walls, doors, windows, furniture, and so on.
So why do we even need them?
The power of families is that if you change one, you can update all similar elements across the project in a single step. For example, adjust the size of a window family, and every window of that type in your model follows along.
Will adding models from the respective families enough? What if they are not exactly how we want them to be?
Modeling in Revit is precise. You can draw walls, place floors, add columns, and then refine them with modify tools. Trim, align, move. Think of it like editing text in a document. You write first, then format until it looks right.
Now that we have added information into the model, how do we view, share, and communicate it?
One of Revit's real superpowers is how you can view the model from multiple perspectives. Floor plans show layouts from above, sections slice the building open so you can see inside, and 3D views let you orbit around the entire model. And here's the big picture. Revit isn't just about drawing. It's about creating a single source of truth, where geometry and data lives together. This means architects, engineers, and builders aren't working in silos. They're all connected through one model that evolves as the project progresses. So that's your crash course into essentials of Revit. You've met the core tools, seen how levels and grids set the stage, learned the power of families, and explored modeling, modifying, and multiple perspectives. That's all for now. In the upcoming videos, we'll keep building on what you've learned, so stay tuned.